Okay, now we're going to be showing the game Bust Up.
Hello, my name. Hi. Person that I don't know. Where you been on? Hi. Hi.
Oh my gosh, it's kind of magazine today. Look, look! Look who's on the cover! You know, it can't look! Look who's on the cover, my gosh! Look! Ah! Look!
Turn the closet. Oh my god.
Honey, come back!
Oh, hold on the camera.
Okay.
Hi. Hi. So there goes my phone. Get out. Hey, oh hi. What's your name? Michelle. Lola. Lola Lotion. Call you Lola Lotion. Hey, Lola Lotion. Hi. Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Oh my gosh, look at this! I'm invited to a party! Look at this! I'm invited to a party! Look! Oh my gosh, you wanna go?
We're supposed to picture of Justin Bieber today.
Well, look! I get to go to a party! Oh my gosh, look! You wanna go with me?
No.
Why? Wanna go?
Ronnie, hold on to the camera.
Fine.
Picky lady. Rawr.
Hi. Hi. Oh, wait a minute. There's another call. Yeah? Oh yeah, it's me. Oh yeah, now she's a vampire. Oh yeah, don't worry, I took care of the werewolves. Yeah, they were really tasty. What, are we crashing the zombie party tonight? Are you okay? Hi. Hello.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much! Oh my gosh! I'm in a contest!
What kind?
I get to be Justin Bieber, oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, you won the contest! Can you believe it? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I mean, just look at him! Just look at him! Oh my gosh!
Look at the magazine!
Oh my gosh, I won the contest!
Ronnie, take the camera.
No, I'm not stupid. Hi. You want to see my pet tarantula?
No thank you, I'm good.
Oh, okay. I'll bring him out. Oh, he's missing. Excuse me, man. Can you please put your cell phone? No!
to earth, back down to earth.
Ronnie, take the camera. I know!
Want a cookie?
Sure.
I made them myself. They have, well, I used them out of my dog's crap.
Hi.
Hi.
Can I ask you a few questions?
Why?
There's just no reason. I just need to ask you a few questions.
Okay.
It's for my survey from school. Alright. What style underwear do you wear? Come in, Megan. Sit next to your best friend, Bonnie.
Hi.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
That's good. Oh my gosh, I got this new CD today. It was so insanely awesome.
Who was it?
It was Justin Bieber, oh my gosh. And I also got a Selena Gomez song on my iPod. It was so insanely cool. It was so awesome.
Yeah.
And I downloaded the new Taylor Swift song on my iPod today. It was so awesome. It's about these fairy tales and it's like so cool. Don't you just love Taylor Swift? I mean, seriously. Oh my gosh, look at this cool fry pen that I got. Oh, look at it!
Yeah.
Look! It's a fry pen! I've got it for Christmas. It's like so insanely cool. Look at this. Homie G! He said Homie G! Oh my gosh!
I think you should get out of that tree now.
Why?
I'll beat you up. Hi.
Yes? Yes? Is there something I could help you with?
What? I don't like this bus. You're freaking me out.
I hope you like our presentation on the game Bus Stop. Stay tuned for some killing.